Welcome to this InstantGMP training session. Today, we're diving into one of the most time-saving and error-reducing features in our platform, scale integration. If you're using digital scales or balances in your facility, you might not realize that InstantGMP can connect directly with that equipment to streamline your manufacturing process. Let's walk you through how it works and how it makes weighing materials faster, easier, and 100% traceable. First, our development team will configure a custom protocol that matches your specific scale model. In this example, we're using an Ohaus Ranger 4000. Once the integration protocol is installed in InstantGMP, you'll be able to test the connection and confirm that the system is reading weights directly from your equipment, no manual entry required. You'll also register your scale in the equipment log, where you can print a label with a QR or barcode for easy scanning during production. To use your integrated scale during batch production, simply add it to the equipment list in your MBR. Look for the green checkmark. It confirms that the scale is successfully integrated and ready to use. Once the MBR is approved and a batch production record is generated, the system is ready for automated weighing. During batch manufacturing, any instruction step that involves a material measured by weight, like grams or kilograms, will automatically activate the scale integration tools. Let's walk through weighing progesterone, which is measured in grams. 1. Click Scan and get weight. 2. Scan the material's receipt number. It autofills into the system. 3. Tare the scale with your vessel, then dispense your material. 4. Once the scale stabilizes, scan the equipment barcode. InstantGMP grabs the exact weight and enters it automatically. 5. Scan your badge to complete the entry. You can also add a usage purpose if needed. The system instantly logs everything: material, weight, lot numbers, equipment details, user signature, and more. All weighing actions are recorded in the equipment log, with full traceability, batch number, vendor lot number, usage amounts, and electronic signatures. This eliminates transcription errors and gives you a clean audit trail, automatically. Scale integration with InstantGMP isn't just a cool feature, it's a smarter, faster, and more compliant way to run your production. If you're ready for a personalized demo or want help getting your scales connected, we're here to help. Visit us anytime at instantgmp.com and let's get your system working smarter. Thanks for watching, and happy manufacturing.